these nuts. Okay.
Back up! Back up! Mind your business, that's all. Mind your business.
I'm a computer.
Jimmy's got back!
Stop all the downloading.
Good boy.
I don't know much about computers other than the one we got in my house. My mom put a couple games on there and I played.
G.I. Joe!
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no. Look at the top of his head.
Got him!
Look at his lips.
Got him!
Hello again, cutie. How are you? I'm glad. I also come bearing great news. Your new emotes have been processed and are in line with Twitch.tv's terms of service. Please enjoy these as much as I enjoy fantasizing your sweet body slamming into mine on a daily basis. Sorry. Have a great stream. No, sorry. I have to go. I have to do brain surgery. Bye.
Bruh.
Excuse me, sir! Signal! I have to wait! Oh my God.
Good job!
Bark, bark. I am Robot Dog Friend.
No one's gonna let me cross. Can you see if the car's coming?
I am your bestest
Can you
Robot
make
Dog
the...
Friend.
Oh, is that your dog? Not on a leash?
I will kill and maim all who oppose and threaten my owl master.
It's not okay. It's against the law.
Robot
my
Dog
God.
Friend will now patrol the area.
They bite
Bark,
me, they
bark.
jump on me, they scratch me. I'm covered with scars from dogs. Just follow the law. It's a leash. It's a leash. It's a leash. It's a leash law. It's illegal to do this, ma'am. Hello? Would you mind going to the side?
Remember me, motherfucker?
Please go to the side. Ma'am, please go to the side. I can't go around. Ma'am. Oh my God. This is what I get.
I broke up with my ex-girl.
Ma'am, I can't go around you. Please.
Psych! That's the wrong number!
Oh my God. I can't go in the street on the street. I can't walk, and she won't let me go past her. She gave me the finger. Excuse me. Sir, this lady won't let me go past her. She won't just move over for a minute.
Then pay with your blood.
What am I supposed to do? She won't let me go past her. What is wrong with you? Just let me go past you.
Bruh.